This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Yvette Doherty. 44 feet of protected dock with Tiki Hut and a fantastic opportunity to own your own boat slip. This is a private gated community. Amenities include a pool, beach, ice machines and laundry facility. The Marina is located on Barnes Sound, and MM 112 on the US 1 stretch. Just 35 minutes from Miami and you are in paradise. Seller may consider some seller financing. For more information, review the details below.